God. This may not be a good idea. Let me get a brush. Hold the phone. In today's video, we have the Ipsy Icon box for May 2025, and I'm so excited. If you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this worth the money? Keep on watching. Or is done getting tired of me already. I just got done unboxing my BoxyCharm for May, so if you haven't seen that already, I'll make sure I'll pin the link in the comment section. But today's co-host is Miss Aura, aka Ori, and then we have Miss Akira, aka Kiri.
We know, we know, we know.
So this is, I think, what, like $60 every 3 months. I'll link everything down in the description box. And then you always get like a different curator, like a brand owner or influencer that kind of like curate the box. So let's open her up. I think this month is like two sisters. I don't know if they're twins or what. I've never heard of them before. Okay, yeah. Ooh, this box is filled of stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is Aaron Foster and Sarah Foster. So let me know if you ever heard of them before. I think they have like a podcast together. They're absolutely beautiful. Very pretty. I guess their podcast is called Spilling the Beauty. That's cute. So this is supposed to be like all their favorite products or what have you. But look at this. Here is a little sneak peek. Not too much. You like to tease a little bit.
Wow, you're a tease.
Oh my gosh, I am like so excited. I really am so excited. Calm down a little bit. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing is from Ole Henriksen. And what are you? Dark Spot Toner. Yes, yes, yes. You guys know I love using toner. I use it every day, especially at nighttime before my big skincare routine. Because I used to always go to the tanning bed and to the beach. You know, I live in Jersey. I'm from the shore, Jersey Shore. And I used to have like brown spots, like sunspots on my skin. But because I've been using vitamin C and really taking care of myself, you can hardly see the sunspots anymore. So anytime I see like dark spot toner, I love it. I love it so much because I've really seen a big difference from just taking care of my skin, you know? Okay, so this is $35. Someone here will tell you all your prices and everything. Okay. Okay, so it's a plastic bottles. It's not glass. Oh, I am so excited. Let me see. So it comes with a safety seal. I'm not going to open it because right now I've been using the one from Good Molecules, but I am so excited for this. Okay, $35. That's expensive. Okay, the next thing is a Beauty Stat. This is a Universal Triple Action Daily Peel. The heck are you? Okay, so this is a $29, and it says it's for dull, tired skin that won't glow. When your face needs a fresh start, Beauty Stat Universal Triple Action Daily Peel clears the way for radiance. Okay, so let's see. Let's open her up and see. All right, so you get a bunch of these. Here, you get a bunch of them, look. So what it says, you use this AM or PM, you use it in circular motions, and you wait 2 minutes before you put like any skincare or anything like that. So it feels like a wet wipe. That's what it actually feels like this. It has like a very strong like alcohol smell. So it'll definitely clean your skin, I could tell you that. But let's put it on here. Let's just see. I will definitely use it. It's a very strong scent, though, if you don't like that alcohol scent. I mean, I could definitely smell that. All right, so we have that. Does it say how many we get in here? 10 treatments. The next thing is from Origins. This is the Utopia, what you be? Peptide Plumping Apple Cream. What is that? Is that for your lips? Would you look at this packaging? Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Oh, it's a cream. Oh, that smells good. I've never, like, I've heard of Origins, but I've never heard of this. Let's look it up. Let's see. This little bit, look at this. I want you to see, because this is $54 for this. Wow. All right, but you don't, that's not what you pay. It's only $60 for this. So right here, this is $54. That's why I love beauty boxes. I really do. Okay, I keep telling you guys, years ago, I would have hated getting all this skincare, but now that I'm almost 50, like, I love skincare so much. Kosas, I love this brand. I absolutely love all of their lip stuff, and their cream blushes are really, really good. So this is Blush is Life. So it is a blush. It's called Hype. Warm Poppy Pink and Rose Chaud? C-H-A-U-D. Okay. So it looks like this. Ooh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. Wow, do you know what? My hands, they actually, like, because of the alcohol from the pads here, I thought it would be dry, but no. My hand feels really nice. And it does not feel dry. I am shocked. I'm shocked. Look at it. It has a little shine to it. Okay. All right, so let's do this. So this is like a baked blush, which I prefer. You guys know that. I'm just going to double it up. You know, I put it on twice so that you guys can see. This. Now, this is the color that I love. I love these type of colors. Look at that. For my skin tone, that is nice. Let's put some on. I don't have a... this may not be a good idea. Let me get a brush. Hold the phone. Now that has some pigment. Don't do that with your fingers. Do not do that. I was not expecting. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, hold on. Hold the phone. I am going in with my powder brush because that is pigmented. Do not do that at all. Okay, much better. Okay, it blends really good though. Okay. Woo. But that's pretty. That is gorgeous. Don't do that with your finger. Do not do that. Not I said to fly. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't even think I looked up the price. I got so excited because I love their blushes. Get it out, Ann. Let's see. This is $29. Okay. The next thing is, what are you? I don't know what this is. Oh, Soothing Scalp Serum. Okay, now I know this is something maybe a lot of you may not like, but I love. Let me tell you, whoa, this is glass, and there's a lot in here. Because I share it all the time. I suffer from very thinning hair. This is a fake ponytail. I use hair fibers, all of that. I have videos on my channel that I show my hair. It's a type of alopecia that I have. And so my scalp also gets very dry, and because I have dark hair, sometimes it looks like dandruff. Well, it is dandruff, it's dry skin. So I love using this in the shower. I'll just put like some on in my scalp, because I can see exactly where my scalp is. My hair's so thin. So I love this type of stuff. Okay, let's see. It has a nice clean scent. All right, let's see how much this is. Wow, this is $48. It says Soothing Scalp Serum. How to use. Of course, you section your hair. You put 2 to 3 drops on your dry scalp. Do not rinse. Oh, good. I'm glad I seen this because I usually rinse it. You know, like with my hair. So this will be my like last step after I do my shampoo, conditioner, and then that. Okay. Okay, so we have that. What else we got? Oh, Makeup by Mario. I have not tried too many of his things. And this is a plumping lip serum. Ooh, in the shade Petal Glow. Okay. This is $24. So it looks like that. see. Let's do a little. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. That's absolutely gorgeous. What? Girlish? Gorgeous. Look at that. And I pushed down too hard because I thought it was going to be harder, but I kind of like messed it up. If you guys can see. Because I pushed down on it too hard. So you don't, very lightly. Ooh, that's pretty. That is, and it's actually darker in person. Like, see that? That's like the color right there. Can you see that? All right, I'm really happy to get, wow. That is gorgeous. Like, I would pay $24 for this. And this is like my perfect color. Okay, it looks like we have 2 more items. The next thing is from Kapari. I love Kapari, especially their body butter is so good. Like in a jar, love it. This is their Body Bumps Be Gone Soothing Body Lotion. So this is like, if you ever have like bumps, you ever see what I'm talking about? It's a bump. It's kind of like an exfoliator and you rub it in and it's supposed to help take that away. Okay, let's see how much that is. This is $24. It's a soothing body lotion. Oh, so the one I'm thinking of, you put in the shower. It's like a cream, but this is a lotion. So I'm curious to see. Let me take this off. Yeah, the one I'm thinking of is like a shower, body shower thingy-majiggy. But this is a lotion. Okay. And I don't really have it doesn't smell like anything, but let's just see. So I will get used out of this. At first I didn't think so, but if it's a lotion, I'll use it. Okay. I love the fact it doesn't really have a scent. All skincare should not have any scents, to be honest with you. Okay, last but not least, I have no idea what this box is. This is a bronze palette. I don't know what this is. What you be? Is this Natasha Denona? It is. I got the Natasha Denona bronze palette, but I believe I have this. This is $69. Let me see if I have this because I have a giveaway coming. I know I've been saying it for months. I really have, but I have been straightening out my room to get down to have a bedroom downstairs. I'll explain all of it in my vlog channel, what is happening in the house. But anyway, so I've been going through a lot of stuff. So I've been putting over here on this wall, I have like a couple boxes and I've been putting things in there for my giveaway. So I don't want to open that up because that is a type of packaging. You get fingerprints and everything on it. So let me go see. I'm pretty sure I have that. Hold on. Oh my God. Please tell me I didn't break it. All right. So I do have the bronze palette. As you can see, you can get fingerprints and stuff on it. So let me just show you what this looks like. So you have a mirror, and that, isn't that just gorgeous? I haven't used this in a while, but I need to. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at this. That is just going in one time. Let me do some of the mattes. Oh my goodness. Right here. I mean, look at that. One time. It's absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. So let's recap everything that I got in my May icon box. So I got the Natasha Denona bronze palette, which I'm going to put this right back in here. Make sure you stay tuned for that giveaway. It's absolutely going to be happening very, very soon. So the only thing you have to do with that is just make sure you're subscribed. But also, make sure you have your post notification bell on. That way you know, because I never put it in my thumbnail or my titles. So that way you'll get in on the giveaway when I have it. Okay, so we have that. We have the Kapari lotion, body lotion. I'm glad to get that. We have this from Joy. This is their scalp treatment. I'm happy to get that. This is their Ole Henriksen, the dark spot toner. I'm very happy to get that. Kosas blush. I'm so excited to get this because I prefer powder before cream. You guys know that. Then we have this Beauty Stat Triple Action Daily Peel. I was actually surprised. I really was. Once I smelled that alcohol, I'm like, this is going to dry your skin. But no. So I'm really happy to use this. I would probably only use this at nighttime though, but I'm happy. And not every day because you only get 10 of them in here, you know. Then we have this Origins. I think this is one of the favorite things that I've got. The Apple Cream face lotion. I'm really excited for this. What else? What else? What else? This right here surprised me. The Makeup by Mario, the lip serum or whatever it's called. What is it called? Yeah, lip serum. But it's very, very beautiful. And is that everything? Yeah, I think that's everything. My thoughts on the May Ipsy box. Now, I've never heard of the Foster sisters, but let me just tell you, they did a really, really good job. There's not one thing in here I will not use. The only thing with the bronze palette, I already have that, or I would be very excited to get that. It's a beautiful palette, but I loved I have not one complaint. So if somebody said, would you pay $60 for this? You're damn skippy. I would pay this in a heartbeat. And I love the fact it's every 3 months. So, you know, it's a good surprise when it comes. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. What were your choice items? Are we box twins? Is there anything in here that you wanted to get or maybe you would not like if you got it? Let me know down below because you know your girl's nosy.
And why is that your business?
None of your business, nosy.
Alright guys, please thumbs up the video or thumbs it down. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps with engagement. I mean, the absolute world to me. Even if you just leave an emoji, it would really help me out. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel if you're interested in that to get to know me more on a personal level. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. All right, I am pleasantly surprised. I really, really am. All right, this might be one of my favorite icon boxes. All right, Ipsy, you are really surprised me. BoxyCharm was good. The icon box was good. All right, now.